So we're Sergeant Poopy, and today we're boxing the Jolt. I know in one of my first videos I had a Jolt, but somebody stole it. Was it you? No, I'm not kidding. Was it you? Seriously. But so I went to Walgreens. I bought a Jolt. So basically, this is what the Jolt is. It comes with 2 darts in the package, and there's the Jolt itself. The Jolt's a really cool gun. I like it. So all you have to do is see this thing right here. You can pop a dart in here, like on there on both sides, and then but all you have to do to cock, pull down, and then shoot. Hear that sound? That sound means it's gonna shoot far. I'm gonna shoot the door. Oh my god! Oh yeah, because I got micro size. Hold on a minute. Micro size, mega power. So yeah, this thing is really hard. Another thing is, it's so. Sorry, dudes. The thing is with this, it's so easy. So easy to do. All you gotta do, it's so easy to cock, so easy to shoot. Boop. For teens or people with large hands, I don't think this is gonna be comfortable. So you have to you have to put your finger all the way like this. Go like that, I'm not sure. But to me, this thing's awesome. Like in a Nerf war, I would definitely use this. Or when I'm just playing around with my cousins, then yeah, I would use this. Also has really good finger guard. And the iron sight is really small, so you can't even see it. It's like, hi guys, hi. I watched this one video of a kid, a guy. He shot a sniper, or like a rifle. He was like, and the sight was like right there. And you know the recoil? Sorry for the disruption. For the recoil, it's like, he got a black eye. I'm gonna go test this. I'm gonna go test the range in a few. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go test the range. Yeah, guys, this is my living room. It's really, really big. So I'm gonna say. So what I'm gonna do? So I'm just gonna put. About my living room is about, I think like 75 feet, and this gun shoots about 75 or 80, around 85 feet. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna test it from all the way back there, and I'm gonna see how it goes. Okay, first shot. That was about bounce off the wall. Bounce off the wall. Come here. Okay, so these shots, I know they're not that far, like a little bit away, but the thing is it has so much power, it ricocheted off that, it ricocheted off that wall, bounced back over here. So that's how much power it had. If that wall wasn't there, then it would be going super, super far. Probably when I do my next video, I'm probably going to be able to shoot some rabbits because it's summertime. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe. Helps the channel a lot. Like and share with all your friends. Bye! Guys, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. It helps out a lot. And bye.